Primetime News this evening. Vybz Kartel and his co-accused released from prison. Celebrations in Justice Square after Court of Appeal hands down ruling in the Vybz Kartel case. And later, Office of the Utilities Regulation breaks silence on JPS saga.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Janella Precious. And with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, in addition to your gas prices, which are of course going to stick around to find out whether or not they're going to go up or down, I'll also have some company news a little later on in the business day, so you want to stick around for that.
Thank you very much, Keys. And Giovanni Dennis is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports, the big show.
Indeed, Archibald, it's been a day of breaking news. By now, most Jamaicans would have known that Shericka Jackson has withdrawn from the 100 meters, but the camp remains upbeat. I'll have the details in Primetime Sports.
That was a little depressing, but I'm optimistic.
I don't even want to say why you're optimistic.
Romain is also here with a preview of the weather report and forecast. I wonder if he knows what the weather will be like in Paris.
I do in fact know, but for us for the remainder of this week, we still are holding those afternoon showers and thunderstorms confined mainly to western parishes.
So Romain has done his homework and you're going to be hearing the answer in the weather report and forecast later on. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, what's your reaction to the Court of Appeal's ruling in the Vybz Kartel case?
We should have lots of comments.
Oh,
you
yes.
can still share yours online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.